It would have to be the forming of the coalition government that is currently in place, and them bringing into question our Indigenous rights in Aotearoa. I think that the one thing is that there are two versions, and one version is not a translation of the other version. So Te Tiriti is the one and only version that we should be paying any heed to. The other one came later, it was a draft, only a few people signed it, and it's not a translation of the Māori version into English. More recently, pretty in depth. I'm a bit of a geek, so I've gone hard on the facts and figures because I think that's our only way of combating racism. That it gives us all our founding or constitutional place here in Aotearoa. So whether we were here before the British settlers came in, or you came in on a boat at any point in time and you are a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th generation Kiwi, that document is what founded this country, and that's what we should all be considering as our founding document. Get educated. Probably the G-spot. That in the middle of everything that has happened is loss and gain. That there is a fourth article. We should learn what that fourth article is because it's actually really important and never talked about. I think it's something, I go back to my point earlier, education. We should all be embracing the opportunities to learn wherever we can get them, and this is a well-rounded, well-presented, thought out, great food by the way, thought out workshop that gives you the nuts and bolts. While I'm about to roll out of here, I'm nearly half asleep because I overindulge. So there's that like overindulge bit, and then there's this overindulge. The manaakitanga has been beautiful. Oh yeah, okay, go on then with yourself. The food has been exceptional. Your mama is just, you know how much I love her anyway, but it's just been beautiful. We're in a great location. You have thought of everything. You have delivered on everything that would make the experience enjoyable when you're learning something that's fairly heavy or can feel heavy, but actually we're going to all walk out here. I'm going to walk out of here heavy, not that way, because I ate so much. It was awesome. Thank you, Brev. Yes, I would, and I would recommend that organisations take just a little bit more time to allow for moments to sink in, because we're doing this really short, sharp and impactful, which works for what you've got in here. But if I was an organisation, or I had some sort of influence in an organisation where this is starting to become pertinent, reduce your exposure, reduce your risk, and get into this space and learn and educate yourself, and get in touch with Brevis, get in touch with Wolfgramm Holdings to get this into your organisation, because it's well worth it.